Now this old small hut and planter has been a bit neglected, so the poor thing's in a bit of a state. So painted it a very long time ago. The old coating has worn quite a lot. I also didn't line it. Now with timber planters, if you line it, then it really helps protect the timber, because when soil comes into contact with timber, it starts to rot and degrade it. So you can see on the front here where actual rot has set in. So I think if I was to paint this, it'll give it a bit more life. So I've cleaned it up nicely, got rid of all the muck and the algae. I'm going to put 2 coats of Thorndown bergamot grey wood paint on it. And with 2 coats, I will cover up the rot. It'll help glue the whole thing back into place again and give the old girl a couple more years, I reckon. So give the tin a good shake. Just make sure all the colour pigments and the resin and everything's mixed back in properly and nicely. And crack it open. Now just give it a bit of a stir again, because shaking doesn't do the whole job. You need a bit of a stir too. And then pop the paint on, go in with the grain. Just nice even coats. Thorndown wood paint is water based, so it doesn't harm your plant life. Now that's the first coat done, so before I leave it to dry, I'm going to go on a bit of a run and a drip check, because I've been putting the paint on really thick. So now's the time to go on a bit of a hunt and just even them out if you can find any. So this first coat on this plant has dried and it actually looks really good. So I'll be tempted not to paint a second coat on, but I know that if I put a second coat on it, it's going to help seal it and protect it and make it last longer. So away with a second coat. So that's a second coat done. Very quick and easy, hardly used any paint, but because it's constructed with lots of different angles and joints and sections, then you're going to get some runs. So just don't forget to go on run patrol and clear out all those drips.